Anyways, folks, I got this from Amazon. It just came in today. So you can, let's see what's in the box here. It's a Costway, a way of life. I just hope it don't break when I sit on it. Got it from Amazon. Let's see what's in the mall. Let's see here. Now let's rip this off. Get a knife if you need me. I got it because I'm a driver and I have them in a day cab. This allows me to set out next to the truck in the shade. So I'm not sitting there in a day cab with no way to rest. You know what I mean? Let me take this thing off here. Let's see here. Just a simple old folding chair, as you can see. Not much to it. Got some little pockets down there. Comes with a few items here. Let's see if they put this super glue in here. What the heck, man? That means you actually gotta work? I gotta work? Come on, man. So anyway, yeah, this part here is for the little canvas, you know, if you want a little shade canvas. So I'm trying, I don't know if that's in there or not, but I'm trying to assemble in it. You know what I'm saying? It comes with directions. The key is, see this little slotted thing here? You got to make sure this goes in there and make sure both slotted edges are together. Slide that in there, that way it gives you your the teeth is what allows it to turn. See, and the teeth there. And then you simply put this mold hole on it. And I'm doing it. I probably should have put the canopy thing on first, but I just went, look at it. Almost cut my nose off. See how it has that grinding sound, that hatchet sound? That's what you want. See what I'm saying? Tight that baby up. It'll stay in place. Now I'm gonna do the other side. And there you go. You pretty much have it. It's got the little canopy on thing. It wasn't that hard to assemble. You know what I'm saying? I got a little canopy up. I'll probably take that canopy down though. You see the canopy there, you know. You at the beach or anyways, it's done. I'm about 6'3", 6'4", so I'll stretch out. You can see how it fits a person that's 6'4", 6'3". You know that. So yeah, get what you pay for. You know? It's not a bad little thing. As long as it don't break. That's all I need, man. Got the little shade thing going on, keep the sun out. You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, thank you for looking at the review. Stay tuned for the next video. I don't even know if you can see it or not. You can also lower this down more. You know, it has a recliner on it, so I'll lower that down. A little more there. Yeah. Make sure that thing is locked in though. You know what I'm saying? I think it'll serve its purpose. Like I said, I'm not looking to go to bed out there. I'm just looking to relax. Yeah, on break. I'll work. And again, I'm like 6'4", 6'3", so. And that ends this useless video. Anyways, folks, you don't need a paper shredder. What you need is some scissors. That's what you need. Watch me shred this. You know what I'm saying? Okay? Don't waste your money, expensive paper shredder. You just need some scissors. Okay, what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's my shredder. Alright? Just saved myself 80 bucks. You got some documents you want shredded? Get some scissors. Shred that mohole. Credit card. I'm gonna snap that mohole in half. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Secret document. Bam, boom. It's gone. Let a Russians, but got a secret envelope you don't want nobody to see that? Like a piranha fish. Barracuda. Boom. Alright.